Duplicates hiding in your spreadsheet? Here is how to catch every one, with one formula that works in Excel, Google Sheets, and LibreOffice. Customers and orders. Some names repeat, and it is not obvious. In the first empty column, add a header. Now the formula. Equals if, COUNTIF, $a$2 to $a$9, at 2, greater than 1, duplicate. It counts how many times a name appears. More than once, it gets flagged. Copy it down. Anna Rossi, Marco Bianchi, Luca Verdi. 6 duplicates, caught. Now the mistake almost everyone makes. The same formula, without the dollar signs. Copy it down, and watch. The range slides with every row. 3 duplicates just vanished. The formula is silently wrong. Lock the range with dollar signs. That is the whole trick. Follow for one spreadsheet trick a day.